Hey, welcome back. Now let's talk about something most pets don't love: vet visits. Nervous behavior, trying to escape, barking, meowing, or even aggression. Totally normal. But here's the good news: you can train your pet to stay calm even at the vet. Let me ask you, how does your pet react when they even see the vet clinic? Do they pull away, starts hiding, get anxious instantly? That's not random, that's association. Firstly, change the association. Right now, your pet may think wet means stress. Your goal is to turn it into something like it's totally normal or even positive. Practice visits without treatment. This is powerful. Visit the clinic without any procedure. Walk in, sit for a minute, give treats, and leave. No stress, just exposure. Reward calm behavior. When your pet stays calm, explores, or doesn't panic, reward immediately. Build some positive association step by step. Train handling at home. Many pets panic because they are not used to being handled. Practice gently, touch paws, check ears, lift gently, reward calm behavior. Now your pet thinks this is totally normal. Combine with travel training. Sometimes the stress starts before the clinic. Make car rides calm, as we learned earlier. Calm journey means calmer arrival and an overall better experience. Firstly, stay calm yourself. Your pet reads your energy instantly. I have told you multiple times. If you are nervous, they will feel it. Stay relaxed, confident, and normal. Don't force or rush. If your pet is extremely stressed, slow down, take breaks, give space, and rebuild gradually. Progress is greater than pressure. Use a comfort object. Bring one of the favorite toy, a blanket, maybe something familiar, just to make sure that your pet remains calm and is happy along his favorite object. This reduces anxiety in a new environment because there is something with which it is already familiar. Quick practice for you. This week, visit the vet area casually if it's possible. No treatment, just exposure and just reward some calm behavior. Even 2 3 minutes helps. Vet visits are not just medical, they are emotional experiences for your pet, and your job is to make them feel safe. And here's something powerful: when your pet trusts you in stressful situations, everything becomes easier. That's real confidence in the making. In the next section, we'll move into nutrition, health, and lifestyle because training is not just behavior, it's the whole life of your pet. So stay calm, build trust, and I'll see you in the next lecture.